Let's get right into the video, guys. This actually works and it's super insane, bro.
Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get a modded version of Jurassic World The Game for iOS and Android. So let me open it up and show you guys. Oh, whoops, that's the wrong game. That's Jurassic World Alive. I'm a fool, bro. So as you can see, we're broke, but look at this. We got the mod menu button, and then we can turn on free cache. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this on, and let's see if it goes up. So as you can see, we have all the values right here, and what we're looking for is a rise. So let's see if it goes up. And I don't see it rising, but it might go up. So let's see. And bang, guys, there we go. So I'm going to show you how to download this onto your device. It works on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is go to settings and make sure background app refresh is turned on. Now we're going to go to matrixmods.com, and you want to find Jurassic World The Game, press download, and then before the mod downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this is pretty easy. You just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, guys, it is almost done loading, and it's just going to say almost there, additional files required, how to install, and then it's got all these apps. So you just have to download 2 of the apps. So for instance, like Mode Casino says download and search the app. That's all you have to do. So that's pretty easy. Then there's Travel Town, which says reach level 9, Lucky Match, reach level 13. All right, DraftKings, blah, blah, blah. So make sure you guys download 2 of the apps. I'll see you later, but that's how to do it. So this is super cool. So if you guys want to get Jurassic World The Game hack for your device, definitely go ahead and try it out. But yes, super cool, and it's fully working, guys. So I think you guys will enjoy it. It's been nothing but good to me, so I'm gonna see you guys later.